real bonus of flying BA First from Terminal 5 is a dedicated first class check-in area. This has its own private security lane that brings you out to a small corridor which takes you straight through into the gallery's first lounge. The gallery's first seems a nice enough lounge, plenty of places to sit, food and drink available, but as you can see it seems quite busy. It's always been quite busy in the times that we've seen it. Thankfully, because we've got first class seats today, we can actually go into the Concorde Lounge. As you can see, the Concorde Lounge is just over the corridor from the BA First. On the left now is the LMS Spa that you can book a free treatment for. Concorde Lounge is much quieter as you can only gain access to it by flying first class or having a Concorde room card. These are very hard to come by and very few and far between. The Concorde room's much more spread out and much more quieter than any of the gallery's lounges. I suppose you'd expect that as you can only gain access by flying first class. There's three distinct seating areas. The area you can see now with the sofas, the bars, the area outside on the terrace, and then the Concorde room dining area. So this footage is filmed from the ground floor of the terminal, looking up to the Concorde Lounge, and then this is the counter image looking out. We decided to have something to eat before getting onto the flight, and I have to say the food in the Concorde rooms far surpasses many other lounges we've been in. Real decent restaurant quality food. So after a really enjoyable couple of hours in the Concorde room, it was time to get onto the tram and head over to the sea gates to board the flight. Tonight we were travelling on a Boeing 777-200 and heading off for a nice break in Dubai. The suites on the 777 seem a little bit bigger than those on the jumbos, and that can certainly be felt if you want to have a guest sit in your footstool area, if you want to share a drink or have a meal. Since the last time we've flown, BA have made some changes, with both new amenity kits for male and female passengers. In addition to the amenity kits, they've also introduced some new, better, comfier headsets. So after a great flight, we landed, cleared immigration with no hassles, jumped in our pre-booked Black Lane car and headed over to the hotel. We'd booked to stay at the 5-star Palazzo Versace. Really nice hotel. If you want to see more of the trip, click the pop-out banner above. So thanks for watching, please click the like button and subscribe.